Hello everyone, welcome back to Draw With Me Faces. It's a pretty generic and simple title, but we're going to keep it that way. So, anybody else in the future is coming on, everybody kind of know what we're doing here, is that we're going to focus on drawing more faces, showing you what I've done in the past, asking for more advice from other people, and see what else we can improve. Okay, so I tend to do better on a larger surface. So I think a lot of you know when we expand, when we have more space, sometimes we can do a little bit better. And this is the case here. Fortunately, one of my crayons broke, so now I have to use a stilo today. So it's not going to look as good, and you're going to be able to tell the difference. But this is this is pretty good. I think everything is pretty much even the hair got a little flow. Hi everyone on TikTok and on Facebook. Hey David. Hey David Lee. I'm sure we have a penner or a drawer out here. Anyone wants to give tips? So anyway, once I can show you a few that I did, then I'm going to start on a new one using a stilo. So I try to change the dimension. I don't want everything to start looking the same. So change the size here, change the size of the eyes. Hey Olga, how you doing? So I'm Vanessa and I'm here to draw faces with you, other people. I'm the leader of a non-profit for artists and writers, and we encourage everyone to succeed with healing art, with drawing, with anybody's art. That's what we do, and we help you with banners and resources, and I have podcasts, and I have apps that I created. All of it, you can find it on the LinkedIn page. That's where I post also all the updates and all the resources. Anything else you can ask me. That one is really good, but it's very light. It's hard to see. But as I come closer, you can see. See, I didn't finish. I didn't put any hair, but I think if you added hair here, it would look really good. All right, and those I already showed last last live when I did. So now this is the new pen that I've been using. Hinata. So it's brighter, but you can't. It's just not the same. It's not as good, but I'm doing what I have. And see, you don't need a canvas and professional. If you're gonna do a lot, you don't want to waste your paper. So just use a regular pad, and it doesn't cost you $1 for an entire pad. I'm almost running out of page here, so I have to find some white page. I think I have some left. Let's see. Yeah. And I actually don't have much page left. This is what I did last time. Looks like I'm gonna have to use my other pad. Let me see. I'm on the floor because when they give us only one bed in an R&B, I just get blankets. I sleep on the floor, and my son gets the bed, and that's why I'm sitting on the ground. But thank God I got a chair if I want to eat. But this is my section here. Anyway, I'm gonna use this. This is a good canvas, but I got this at dollar store here in Colombia. Good canvas, but I got this at dollar store here in Colombia. I think it was $2.50. So it's pretty cheap because look how many pages I have. A lot. So you can paint, you can do whatever you want here. It's really, let's see. All right. and my big screen TV, and I've got another 15 days of the year. After that, only a month and a week left in Midland, but I was thinking I'm going central to go do all the parks and the attractions and planetarium for my son, but I really enjoy the country a lot, so I might actually get another cheaper cabin, much less luxury, probably colder, but at least you can do your own firewood and stuff. I'll do another month, then I'll spend my last week in town and do all the things I want to do. So, I got one overspend, but only a few walks so we can do. Having the red one walk, so let's keep on the red. I had in some years, I had the things where you can hold your phone and I just lost them, so. Alright. So now I have to hold it. Hey, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people so far here. Thanks for being here. And also I'm looking for writers. Right now I'm publishing other writers on the bi-weekly article in a newspaper called Publishing Trend. And anybody who wants to write for us, I'll give you a theme, you write, and then all your links, everything will be there. And if you want to be exposing your art, we can do a live on YouTube together, and then I'll be there forever. Alright, I always seem to start with the eyebrow. I'm going to keep a dimension. Then we go down and you keep the line very small in case you want to rectify something. And that was a trick that I didn't do. I didn't really follow for a long time, is that I was doing lines much too strong. And then you can't fix anything. So it also looks more real when you use lines that are smaller. Okay, let's do something a little different. We're going to keep the mouth open a little bit and see what it looks like. Now, do the chin. Sorry, I'm moving a little too much. Alright, so hope everybody had a good Mother's Day. And I'm not sure when Father's Day is going to be. Maybe next. So what you do is you bring a little shadow, a little shade around the nose, and then around the mouth after, and you don't put too much in there. So then you can decide if you're going to do some line. Here the mouth's too big, so I'm not going to do many lines around. I'm just going to do the eyes. So let's do it big so everybody can see. Let's do a really large space. See, everything is possible. I used to draw the most horrific faces. I was really bad at this. It took me years to finally get good, and now you can actually say, I'm actually okay. I just persevere. I said, yeah, one of those days I'm going to draw really, really amazing, just like with Pro. Of course, no, I'm not there yet, and I probably might never be there, but it's close. Alright. Now we got some of the eyes done. Bring this. And reshape the inside of the iris to make it nice standing out. Then bring the eyelash. Let's bring a little bit at the end, a little bit in the middle. Now you can see, fill up a little bit inside here, inside the eyes, just a little bit. And do a touch in of the eyes. Alright. Alright, so now we got this cover that looks like the only thing you can see in this thing. So, do the mouth. Oh, I meant it to leave it open, but it's too late now. Look, go back on YouTube and see tutorial on the lips. Very simple 5-10 minute tutorial, and it will give you the base of what you have to do. And then keep training and you'll see you get really good at it. It's once you know, see, my whole life when I was drawing, there's a lot of things I didn't know. I didn't know how to make those lips that really come to life. I didn't know how to make a nose like this. So I thought I did. I was copying or doing the way I could. But once until I actually seen how pro actually did it and understood it, then that's when it stick with you. That's why it's important that you actually learn. At least we have space here. We have a lot of space. So, pretty large mouth. Now let's work on the nose a little bit. Not too much. I don't want to mess it up. Now she's relatively young, so it's just natural lines, but we're not adding like a aging line in here. Pretty good, huh? Hey, Diggy. That's a cool name, Diggy. Pagara. No, Yagara. I can't. Annabelle. Oh, it's hard to see. Those are the flowers I found yesterday, just walking back from some of the trails, and yeah, I just got this, and I brought some roses too from some bushes. Nice. So many wood trail around here. All right, let's bring out the hair so we can make it look real nice here. Okay, I don't have too much space, so I'm keeping the hair really thin. Okay, but pretty long. Alright, let's look. Oh, it's not bad. Alright, now what I could add is the neck. It's missing. So now I'm about to go to do an hour trail, forest trail around here. It's pretty cool. Since Helena, it's the top mountain, so 20 kilometers from the center of Medellin. There's tons of trails everywhere. Like, really cool, you know, a lot of people use them, but they're pretty dead and deserted because there's so many of them. So when you go in the forest, you're actually on your own, you don't see much people, barely. And there's just a lot of paths that you want each path, so you can decide. You can spend hours, but you better take your bus or your phone and your map if you don't want to get lost. Alright, what do you think? Write down in a comment. I think we did pretty good. Look, she's a little bold, so I don't know. Okay, that's it. You can use your hand or you use the light pen, you go around. It kind of brings like a little shadow in between. Sometimes it just makes the mouth pop out a little more. Just do little things around. Okay, and we're just gonna leave it at that. Okay, thanks for joining, and remember, if you want to be in a new article, if you want a banner, if you want help, go to her page, okay? And yeah, you see all the resources, everything we have. The new app for writers is really good. Has everything. Alright, thanks everybody. Wait. The internet is not so good right now. I'm trying to end. Let's see. This is a nice little country house, isn't it? They have like maybe 8, 10 of those rooms here.